Indonesia is very far.
Oh, yeah.
Are you the people going to shift a capital city to another place?
That's right.
2,000 miles away.
Yes. Unbelievable sama Kak Nila ketemu orang Indonesia di Uganda. Look, di Bangor juga. Orangnya ini aja orangnya ya. Aduh, udah sampai ke Afrika juga. Ini orangnya. Tuh, suami beliau sama si Omar. Anak beliau yang kerja di yang kerja. Kamu udah kerja, Mat?
Iya,
Sekolah.
sekolah ya.
Sekolah di sini. Gimana Kak Nila kehidupan di Uganda?
Enak sih, cuman
Missing your friend in
ya sure.
Oh yeah. Especially Uni.
Iya. Bestie.
Bestie. Kayak tari kecak gitu ya.
Makanya.
Nanti kita buka puasa sini ya Kak Nila. Yes.
Last time ini yang other side. Ya, bukan yang ini yang roadnya kecil tapi bagus.
Bersih. Kita mau lihat performance kayak tari-tari kecak gitu. Hah? Yeah, you didn't tell me.
It's a banana juice.
We have a president here, United States of America.
Lagi berbuka.
Very, very
Nih,
welcome to you.
minum kita itu dari pisang ini. Kita nggak ada alkohol. Oh, makannya ada juga di sana.
And looked after us, very warm and kind. So please tell the
Orang-orang ini
people
nggak
of
berbuka,
Let it
kita aja yang
prove is
berbuka.
infinitely grateful. Indonesia!
Yes!
Indonesia is very far.
Oh, yeah.
Are you the people going to shift a capital city to another place?
That's right.
2,000 miles away.
Yes.
Yeah, you are really brave. But also, I want people to talk to you and they know that actually climate change is real. That the city is sinking. That you're having to shift because of the carelessness we have put on this planet. That's why I admire Greta Thunberg.
No comment.
Seriously, no comment, I agree with you. Me, I can comment, I have stage immunity. Welcome from Indonesia.
Thank you.
Colombia! Who's from Colombia? I had said the Pope came here and I shook his hand. Since then I don't shake other hands. But I've never seen anyone from Colombia. So I'm now breaking my oath. I'm shaking the first hand for a long, long, long time. Welcome from Colombia. I am not shaking other hands. Any other friends from another country? Portugal is in Kampala. We come to Kampala to look for money. You tell me exactly where we from Germany.
Here we go. Here we go. So,
I speak German. I speak a lot of German. Sehr good. There is another word. Bitte. All our friends from all over the world.
woo!
We thank you all for choosing to come to Uganda.
Cara orang di Uganda jalan nyantai. Tuh, slow motion. Kalau di negara maju agak jam mulu katanya.
don't think that we are lazy. For us, we are walking slowly because we are relaxed. And as we walk, we have all the time to understand what is around us. We have all the time to entertain the people looking at our walking. If you think I'm lying, from now you observe how all the ladies in this country walk. They all walk like.
That is true.
That's because they are relaxed. If you are stressed, these are tight. And the walking is. So welcome to the most relaxed country. And this dance coming will help you that next time you feel stressed, all you need to do is check your seating facilities. The demonstration is in the dance we know as Bachi Simba Nankasa Almuogola. Welcome our friends. A beautiful evening to everybody.
Beduk berbuka kan Ilan? Beduk berbuka. Itu jalan cewek Uganda kalau lagi
Next time you feel stressed, And if you are shaking and the head also starts moving, that means you have not yet relaxed. The seating facilities should move when all the other parts are still. Allow me to make two announcements. And from here,
Enak ini
the
pakai.
audience can help us.
Lebih rice.
They are bringing the grand piano.
Ini kayak teh.
That is the
Oh, lemon
smallest,
juice. Oh, with mint.
because the
Oh,
big
nice.
ones are part of the ground. Yes.
Kayak gamelan.
Number 3. Number 4. The elder to play the bass. Number 6. All of us fitting on the same keyboard. Sharing is such a beautiful thing. And you can make your other contributions, say by playing the flute.
Sounds like Bali. Bali ya?
Or the rhythmic percussions
Bali.
that give the music a central beat. And now that the music is full, men watch out. Welcome to Busoga, Eastern Uganda, the source of the River Nile.
Benar-benar kedengaran berasa di Bali karena ada serulingnya itu. merah itu bawa korma. Mama Indonesianya nggak kurang. Lalu waktunya berbuka guys.
Thank you. Now all of us know how to relax. So let's take our first break. And if you'd like to have dinner, as we
Alhamdulillah,
eat, we do part two of
waktunya
the-
berbuka.
Thank you very much. Our dinner is ready. Thank you.
1 minute. 16.05 ini udah 19.04. Kita ambil makanan dulu. Udah kan? 40 berapa? 4 detik lagi. Why so specific? Oh, done. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Tiket for the food.
Hah? Air apa? Oh iya, ada apa namanya bahasa Indonesia? Kurma ya, date. Kasih kurma. Pas banget dengan acaranya break waktu berbuka. Iya, nah. Lapar banget. Oh ya, mana itu rasanya? You got the banana one, right? Kanila dapat yang pisang kan? And you tell? Oh. Bismillah. Oke, makasih Bang. Bang Ian ini. Oh, emang rasa pisang. Jadi kita down there. Sorry. Jadi kita antrinya di sini. Panjang banget. Enak-enak. Udah habis sholat. Kita makan dulu. Sorry. Saladnya. It's okay. Just pass me. It's alright. Just make documents. Oh, this is banana. What type banana is it? You take it. Makan sama mereka. Rice. Oh, cool. Oh, aku suka sayur-sayur ini. Pass me. It's okay. Semua look. Where's that? Gino. Ramu. Do you know what is that?
I never tasted before.
No? I'm gonna try. This goat. Like the sauce.
Yes, I love it.
Is that sea fish or river or lake?
Just one big chicken as you come for fish.
No, it's okay.
Okay, you enjoy.
Don't mind.
I come for chicken.
Chicken. You can take both. You can take both. Okay, so you pick chicken, you come for fish.
Okay.
You can take
Chicken too?
chicken, you can just pick.
Wih, banyaknya makan nih. Ini baru pada aso ini. Wih. Bismillah. Enak Kak? Ayo kita lihat yuk. Ada pisang. Oh wow.
Lengkap.
You like goat, saya Kak. Aku nggak suka kambing. Kak Nila nih. Oh my god.
Ian suka kambing juga.
Ian suka kambing juga. Ian belum pulang sholat dia. Nih, kita coba dulu guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ini saya suka nih salad-saladnya nih. Penasaran sama yang ini. Ini apa ini? Peanut sauce. Peanut.
Gino is crab.
Ya, kacang. It's like peanut. Tapi warnanya beda. Enak-enak makanannya ya. Beda. Ya sambal. Aduh sambalnya gila. Guys, makan dulu guys. Serius makannya. Berbuka makan. Nah, udah berapa hari Kak Nila makan kita nggak jelas. Hah?
Kita order lama sekali sampai.
Dan banyak salah order mulu. Gak ada yang enak. Mohon maaf ya, bukan apa-apa enggak. Memang nggak sesuai selera kita ya. No. I'm still ya. How about you?
Yeah, I think so.
You? Yes. Nila? Just leave it. We still drink it. Yeah.
And this is done.
Yeah, because we had a fasting. We didn't drink until 7:15, 7:05. Yeah, 7:05, and then we start drink. Before that, we don't drink. Fasting, Ramadan. Yeah. Okay. Bawang. They thought that we don't like it. Nggak tahu mereka kalau kita nggak makannya. Iya kan Nila, nggak apapun yang di order nggak sesuai. Lumayan.
Kanila kan 3 tahun yang lalu juga kan jalan kayak rame. Sampai anak-anak ini kelaparan 2 jam makan.
Kelapa, benar.
Jadi nggak tahu.
Beda kalau di Asia kan. Di Asia, oke, kita mudah nyari tempat makannya ya.
Medan pun di jalan tidak bagus.
Ian baru selesai sholat. Alhamdulillah. Mualaf-mualaf yang taat. Lambat ya. Kami nggak ada sahur. Nggak ada.
Gimana masak ya?
Cuman minum aja pagi. Itu udah botol. And then mereka masak ini di gulai, pisang gulai itu. Pisang gulai kalau di kampungku, hidup kita yang melarat banget ya kan. Aku ingat amak dulu. Itu pas lagi nggak ada uang. Enak iya, tapi kan kita sering. Aduh, amak dulu kalau nggak ada uang itu ambil pisang digulai, karena nggak.
Sama kacang ya mereka masak.
Beda. Ya perbandingannya cuman karena rasa kita aja guys. Bagi orang sini tentu enak karena rasanya mereka sesuai dengan selera mereka. Ini bagi kita gitu. Kalau saya nggak deskripsikan ini ya penonton saya juga nggak tahu gimana rasanya. Tapi ini enaknya. Tandanya makan dulu guys.
What I got there.
konda baganda n'abazungu bakatanga rukundo kurayaga ugaranka je garanshura mwa bagaragonzera mera macumba kagastumbiyana untungamera nakabuka baganda bazira ncende ngureka kwija no cenda ni ukagabura umwe wabahinda bazira ncende gyamba cyarwarga bana mwarango bwanje bukandanga ncirumuto mwarango bwanje bukandanga ncirumuto rugazwa cyabanyuro ya murkoma manzi ni stenjenen zamoto kayibara barandri norumu atcheba mugambi tomunja tayi mutoko ichechu akorira tunumupara narusha turahanga nwagamisha tomukazo dawuri bandaga bwashweru bachi akamazinga binyamazinga byacabanyuro bwo byatanga rokundu kushogo itandri norumu wo kimabosha numurangaze Bana mwenke ngoma za nyamtanganga Pura chama tirinya Heriza bama baraganyo syabjere Up. Now hook your fingers above your head and take your arms behind until they disappear. Stop! I don't have insurance cover for your arms. Thank you, my friends. So that's
kita dikasih dessert juga, makanan penutup. Nggak tahu ini berapa karena swear performance, makan, minum, dessert. Ternyata nila nggak enak, tapi makasih aja Kak Nila. Ya, this is Nila style making cake. Mana Putu Ayu ininya? Putri Ayunya apa? Putu Ayu?
Bukan, kelompong.
Oh, kelapon ya. Kamu nggak pintar bikinnya Kak?
Enggak juga, coba-coba aja.
Selama di Uganda udah pernah bikinnya?
Belum.
Malas kamu.
Karena nggak ada acara ya.
Oh iya. Kemarin itu tau nggak Kanila? Kita buka puasa, saya pakai sosis 2, terus setelah itu semalaman makan semangka jackfruit, you know. Nah, ini penutupan guys. Bagus ininya, settingnya, programnya. Jadi mereka ini menyelenggarakan 3 kali dalam seminggu. Kayaknya kalau kita adakan ini bukan satu Indonesia, setiap provinsi ini bisa loh kita bikin seperti di Sumatera Barat.
Democracy, responsibility,
Jadi ini
and symbiotic
setiap
social
provinsi di
coexistence.
Sumatera Barat kalau menyelenggarakan
What do I mean?
budaya
Let's learn
kayak gini
as
juga
people
bisa ini.
from different
Jual
countries.
tiket.
Those who come from Congo say they are more important to
Lumayan
all of
mahal,
us
saya
because
yakin
in
lumayan
Congo
mahal.
there are minerals.
Minum,
We from Uganda tell them
makan.
you are lying, we are more important than all of you because we are the source of the river Nile. We can even decide and change the course of the river and to go to South Africa.
Macam-macam instrumen, dari semua instrumen yang mereka pakai itu nggak ada satupun yang
On the bass,
elektronik,
oh
semuanya
iya.
tradisional. Tuh.
On the top fiddle, take a one now. On the flute, Jadiru. Now, some of you might be saying, but we came to see Ugandan culture. Why is this man calling Burundi? The borders in Africa were fixed without consultation. That is why, when I become the president of the world, and I'm saying when, not if, it's just a matter of time. In my first year of office, I will remove all the borders, and all of us shall be able to travel and move from place to place without requiring passports or visas. I didn't know I had supporters in my fantasies. Our dear friends, we honor you, and so the drums are sounding in your honor. Come on, shout! Tukishamba ryahiye ryanetse ryaye umukomba ryorosa umuyonga batarigenda bahibirenge kibiti cyaha barwaje mukuru wayo mukohira nkono ndagusha nuko mugire bamisore ba ndagusha muraje bana bandi murakaza mw'abahungu murakaza imisore yanjye murakaza cyane.
Wow. Memang all out banget guys. It's like the Olympic performance. You think? Ya kan kayak Olimpiade performance, pembukaan, the opening of Olympic. Kenapa kak? Kadang memang komedi bermacam-macam, profesional, komedi, cerita, sejarah, semuanya dirangkul di sini. Talent. Brilliant, amazing. I didn't expecting gonna be this show. It's really good. Then just dance like that. Is it, Carl? It's amazing, isn't it?
And now from northern Uganda, among the Acholi people, and the dance is Larakaraka.
Wow, banyak ininya, performance-nya. Nggak seperti yang kita pikirkan. Uganda jarang orang mempublis. Ternyata Keseniannya begitu bermacam ragam. Ini ya, mungkin kita pikir Uganda, gimana keseniannya jarang dipublis ya, jarang yang kita dengar di mainstream. Ternyata kalau kalian ke Uganda, lihat maksudnya, wow, bermacam ragam. Saya aja nggak kepikiran, bilangnya Kak Nila, wow Kak Nila ini bukannya sekedar teman untuk sambil dinner bareng keluarga terus ada performance, lenggok-lenggok, enggak. Ini all out banget mereka, benar-benar all out. The master, the queen. Oh, wow. Sebentar lalu kita pikir apa lagi itu kan, yang ternyata kalau kita perhatiin deeply, secara mendalam, ini butuh skill yang benar-benar wow. Wow, 7. Which one 7? Oh ya, that one. 1, 2, 3, 7 nih. Bayang nggak? Oh, wow. Ya, sebentar lalu kita mikirnya nih cuman apa, bunyi-bunyi musik-musik terus orang nari-nari, tapi ada skillnya. Ini yang saya suka dari mereka-mereka ini, memang benar-benar punya talenta. Oh, 1 itu paling kecil, 3, 5, ini 1, 2, 3, 6, 6. Ini yang tertinggi nih, Mbak ini 7 beliau, 2, 3, 6. Ini yang putih, ini ratunya ini. Oh, ini ada lagi tuh 2, 3. Oh, 8 yang terakhir. Ah, ini finishing kayaknya. Aduh, nggak jatuh. Naik tangga. Don't stand as well. Don't even fall. No.
Kalau jatuh lumayan juga lucunya. Ada aja gua. Wow, terus ada yang jangkau.
Thank you ever so much. Very troop, we had the whole world here supporting us kindly. May I request for a round of applause for the ladies here. And a round of applause for the boys out there. And everybody, a round of applause for everybody here. Now, the last thing, we want to get together and tell the world that it is possible for all of us to live together on this same planet in peace and happiness. How do we do that? Two ways. Number one, many of you were recording this show. Peace lovers! Everybody! 1, 2, 3, come! Come on now! Come on everybody! Hey!
Kamu suka perang, silakan duduk. Tapi kalau kamu suka damai,
Let's all have a party rather than fighting.
Thank you, Ian. Thank you, Vanilla. Thank you so much.
Sama yang mulianya sebentar saja.
Benar-benar fantastic, benar-benar suatu inspiration bagi kalian yang suka entertainment. Saya rasa ini adalah salah satu ide, mungkin dengan cara versi kalian kalau benar-benar punya talent, bikin grup seperti ini. Lihat begitu antusiasnya para penonton, bukan hanya penonton di sini aja, saya juga memang membuat suasana, bikin mata kita melek dan bikin kita pengen tahu, nggak ketiduran. Awalnya habis makan tadi saya ngerasa kayaknya gua mau tidur, ternyata nggak jadi. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kanilah. Assalamualaikum Kanilah.
Assalamualaikum, happy Ramadan.
And again, thank you so much Kanilah and family. Oh yeah,
Are
very.
you as tired? I know, but
No, not tired at all.
stay in the bus.
Malah nggak bikin capek. Sudah diantarin Kak Nila. Nih tempatnya. Enak pakai AC sekarang. Bagus bentuknya. Tenang, nggak berisik kayak semalam.